So hey, check it out. It is Friday, December 30th, and it is official. This is the last time I will be in the bees for 2022. When I switch over to the My Accurate app, it says it's 75 degrees and 56%. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. 2022 has been a fun year. It's been great to be back home. I appreciate the growth of the channel, and that's from all y'all that have subscribed and watched our videos. All right, everybody, take care. Again, thank you for following us along on our beekeeping journey. Hopefully everybody has a happy and safe new year, and we'll see y'all in 2023.